Hello students, we are doing voice active passive, and till now we have done the all the tense we have completed in simple sentence, we have completed the negative and interrogative sentence. Today we will discuss another types, and first type is sentence containing two objects. Let's see the example. Mr. Malhotra teaches us English. Mr. Malhotra is the subject. Teaches is the verb. Us is object 1. English is object 2. How we will change the sentence containing the two objects or the double objects? Let's see. Okay, let's consider us as the object number 1 and make it a subject. Us will change to we. Okay. Now next step we have to see the verb. Which verb is this? A verb's first form, and SES is used with it. So which tense is this? This is present indefinite tense. So we have to add then be form. With we add are. We are. Teach will change to the third form of verb, that is taught. We are taught. Then we will add subject to. We are taught English by Mr. Malhotra. Okay. For example, if we take it as a main object, English as the main object, and bring it in forward, English. After English, as English is singular, we cannot add are here. We have to add is. English is taught to us by Mr. Malhotra. So students, you can use both subjects. Your both sentence will be correct. You can make any subject as the primary, you can make any object as the primary and bring it forward and make it a main subject. Okay, and there are no hard and fast rule that which object we have to make primary object. It's up to you. Whichever object you want to choose, you can choose. Then then choose the tense. Select the be form. Verb's third form is added. Then by is added. Then subject changed to object. Let's see another example. I is the subject here. Presented is the verb's second form. Him is object 2. A watch is object. Him is object 1 and a watch is object 2. So let's make a watch our primary object first. A watch. Okay, next thing we have to choose the tense. Verb's second form is used. Which tense is this? Past indefinite tense. And in past indefinite, which be form we can use? Was and were. A watch is singular, so we will use a watch. Was presented to him by me. Or you can choose him as the primary object and write he is also singular, we will add was. He was presented a watch by me. I hope this is clear to you. There is no hard and fast rule. You can choose any object of your choice if two or double object is given. Other all things are same. We have to see the tense, and on the basis of tense we have to choose the be forms and look at the new subject, add the be form, add the verb's third form, add by, add the new object. Okay, let's see another kind. How can we change the active sentence to passive if the models are given? What are the models? Can, could, may, might, will, shall, would, should, ought to, must, have to, need to, dare not. These are the models. You must know, are well known to these models. I have written also examples of some of the model: can, could, may, might, etc. So if from the examples you can see the models are used. I can help you. Can is the model here. They might win the match. Might is the model here. May I take your book? May is the model here. So how can we change if model is given? So I is the subject, help is the verb first form, you is the object. Our first step is we have to change you, that is the object here, to subject. Okay. You. Okay. Next we have to see the which model is used. The model used here is can. You can. I have written can here. Then we have to, just remember this thing, we have to use be after the model. Wherever model is used, we have to add be only. That's it. You can be helped. Help was a verb, it changes into V3. You can be helped by me. Okay, let's see second example. They might win the match. They is the subject, win is the verb, the match is the object. So we will bring the match object in front. The match, which model is used? Might. The match, might. Then we have to add be. The match might be. When will change to verb's third form? Won. The match might be won by. They changes to them. Okay. For example, it is in an interrogative form. May is used in front. So wherever is the model used, we will keep it there only. So we will add may. Now let's see. I is the subject, take is the verb, your book is the object. So your book will become our subject. May your book be taken by me. May your book be taken by me. May was in front, we kept it here. Then your book is the subject. Okay, it was the object, we made it the subject. Then we added be only. So, and then taken verb's third form, then by, then me. I hope it is clear to you. It is very easy. In models, just add be. No other form. Okay, let's see the another type. If the prepositions are given, you also know, you are also well known to the prepositions. You must have done in your in your previous classes. So prepositions are like to, on, in, at, for, by. These are the prepositions. So let's see, if the prepositions are given, how can we change the tense? How can we change the sentence from active to passive? He is the subject. Laughs is the verb's first form. At is the preposition. You is the object. So we will start from our very first step. Our very first step is to change object to subject. You. Then laughs, show which tense is this? It is present tense, because with verbs first form s is used. So it is present indefinite tense. So which form I can use? I can use is, I can use am, I can use are. So with you I will add you are. Next step is the verb. Verb was laugh. It will change to laughed. Okay. And after laugh, what is written? At preposition is written. We will also write it here. You are laughed at by him. So wherever is the preposition, you will keep the preposition there only. in passive sentence also. Okay, no need to change the position of the preposition. Wherever is the preposition, keep it there only. Next sentence, they is the subject, will, wait is helping verb plus verb. Helping verbs used is will plus verb's first form. Which tense is this? Future indefinite. Wait for is the preposition. You is the object. So I will begin with our first step. You will be brought forward because it is the object here and it will become our subject. You. Next preposition is used. We will add this preposition. You will. And we know that after will we always use be. You will be. Then wait is the verb. It will change to waited. After wait, what is written? For is written. So we will add for here. You will be waited for by. They will change to them. Okay, next sentence. Who has knocked at the door? Has knocked. Show which tense is this? This is present perfect tense. Because in present perfect, there is always verb's third form plus has or have. In the front, there is has or have, then verb's third form. That makes it a present perfect sentence. And which preposition is used here? At preposition is used here. So, the door is the object. It will become our subject. But in front is the interrogative word which is who, and we will make it by whom. By whom. After by whom, we will add our object. We will add our subject, and how we can choose our subject? We will make our object as the subject. By whom the door. Okay. Then has is used. The door is also singular. We will add has. Then we know that after has in perfect we have to add which be form? Been. By whom the door has been knocked at. Knocked at. I hope this is clear to you. It is also easy. In preposition also we are doing the same way. Okay, whatever we did in the simple sentence, we are doing the same way in preposition. Wherever is the preposition, keep the position of the preposition there only. Okay, preposition here was at after the laugh. So we have also added after laughed. Here the preposition was after wait, and here also we added after waited. Here the preposition was after not. Here also we have added after not. I hope this is clear to you. I repeat just in a minute. In double object, when two objects are there, you can make any object as the primary object and bring it forward and make it subject and do the other changes according to the simple sentence. Okay. Then if the models are given, what you have to do only? You have to add be after every model. Can was the model, we added be after can. Might was the model, we added be after might. Here may was in front, so we added may, then the subject, then we added be. Only be is used in models. Okay, in prepositions, we always add preposition in the same position wherever they are mentioned. So, please practice these three kind of sentences and learn it. Thank you very much.